The San Francisco Bay Area is one pricey place to live. 3 out of the top 6 high-rent cities are located right here in the San Francisco Bay Area. A booming job market, prestigious universities, an amazing climate, and the many California amenities draw more and more people each year to this desirable area. I'm here to give 5 tips to master apartment hunting in the Bay Area. Know where you want to and can afford to live. Observe the market for a full month and at least 2 weeks before you need to move to see how many properties are in each city or area that meet your criteria, so you have a realistic idea of where to focus. Select 3 possible cities to live in. Zillow and Craigslist are the most reliable and up-to-date sources to research apartments and prices in the Bay Area. Look at potential rentals in the neighborhoods you want to live in and get a general sense of the pricing and availability. You can create alerts with your specific criteria in mind, and apartments that fit your needs will be emailed to you instantly, daily or weekly in a digest. Ask friends or contacts for neighborhood recommendations if you're not familiar with San Francisco and the surrounding areas. Make a list in order of importance from must-haves to nice-to-haves. Be prepared to compromise on a few priorities, or raise your budget, or look in a neighborhood that you weren't previously looking in. For example, must-haves: 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, under 1 hour commute to work, hardwood floors, parking, modern kitchen, and a washer-dryer in building. Nice-to-haves: 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, washer-dryer in unit, patio, outdoor space, bathroom with tub. Consider whether you really need that extra bedroom for visitors. It will cost up to $500 to $800 more in rent per month. It's true what they say about house hunting being a full-time job. In fact, you may even have to present yourself to prospective landlords as if you were at a job interview. Prepare a rental packet, including everything a landlord might request from you. Download a generic California rental application and fill it out in advance. Included in this packet should be a copy of your credit report, a photocopy of your ID, income verification, proof of renter's insurance. If you have pets, consider including a photo, vaccination status, any training certificates, and letters of recommendation from your previous landlords if you have them. Also, it may be old-fashioned, but be sure to take a checkbook just in case. If you take this step, you will be ahead of most other house hunters in line. Research on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. And call and write agents and property managers on Wednesdays to set up as many appointments for Thursday and Friday. Many high-quality properties are on the market on Thursday and Friday before the Saturday open houses. And you know what they say about the early bird. House hunting in the Bay Area may feel like a full-time job. If you don't have time to scour Craigslist, Zillow, and Trulia and set up itineraries, ask a real estate savvy friend or partner to help. Enlist them to do some research for you and send you potential listings while you put together the rental resume. Or if you aren't into DIY, you can save time and aggravation by hiring a relocation consultant to do the legwork for you and escort you to a lengthy list of curated potential rentals in your budget. I know it seems challenging, but living in the Bay Area is worth it. Did I miss any tips? Comment your Bay Area house hunting advice down below.